Hey guys, LechK here. Really quick video to show you how to replace the gas struts for your hood. This idea will work on most cars that use this. I'm doing this on a 2012 Toyota Camry. So really all you gotta do is look up the part number that's listed on here for your specific car. Then go on Amazon or automotive store and search it up, and then we'll give you the results. Or you can even just search it by your car's name and model year and you'll get the same results. I got a pair for this car for $20. I already did the right side. Now I'll show you how to do the left side here. So all you're gonna need is a small flathead screwdriver, and there's a little metal tab that sits here. The thing is, if you're doing this by yourself, have some kind of support for your hood, because the second you pop one off, the hood will drop on you. So you just lift this up, or you can even pop it off completely, and this will just pop off. And now same on the bottom. Lift it up, pop it off. Now we can grab our new one. And for the new one, nothing to lift. All you do is snap it on.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just push it in, and that's on already. And same over here. And we are done. New dampener is installed. Hood is not falling anymore. And we're all good. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.